Welcome back to the channel, guys. So let's jump right into the greatest and the latest video of the world. I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT into your WhatsApp. Isn't that great? No matter what you are, you're a gamer, a designer, a student, a teacher, professor, whoever you are right now, you love to have this feature into your WhatsApp, into your computer or whatever. So I'm going to show you there is an easy method you guys can add this AI bot into your WhatsApp as well, where you can ask this guy to write anything for you. So let's get back to the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here and press the bell icon for more new tech videos. Let's go ahead and watch the video, guys.